Hello and welcome to our program. Today in this program we will learn some of the vocabulary words. Come on, let's learn with the fun and enjoy and learn together. So our first word is dogmatic. Dogmatic. Pertinacious. Stubbornly sticking to opinions. Okay, let's move to a new word which is fastidious. Fastidious. Hard to please. Hard to please. Displaying meticulous attention to detail. Displaying meticulous attention to detail. Our next word is deleterious. Deleterious. Hurtful. Harmful. So these words was our vocabulary words for today. And now I will call my friend and for a recap. Dogmatic, fastidious, deleterious. Again, dogmatic, fastidious, deleterious. Okay.